Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I'm back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add device on your Crunchyroll application. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to add device on Crunchyroll application, first of all you have to have Crunchyroll app installed in your mobile phone and you must log into your account. After you have done both, go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll application, and then you'll be available with this interface. Now go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner, and then scroll all the way down until you see subscription. After you do, tap on subscription and then go ahead and tap on go premium. If you choose fan subscription, then you will be only able to see it in one device, but if you select mega fan or annual mega fan, and then you'll be streaming into the 4 different devices. So after you go ahead and tap on start subscription and go ahead with all your payments, and then you're good to go. You will be able to log in into your 4 different devices, whether it be TV or your mobile phone or your laptop. You can just go ahead and log in to your account using your email and then your password, and then you're absolutely good to go. That's how you can easily add device on your Crunchyroll application. So it was that quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with another video. Goodbye until then.